Good morning, saints. I greet you in the precious name of Jesus Christ. The woman in Mark 5 had tried everything the world could offer to find healing, yet nothing worked. When she had nothing left, she turned to Jesus in faith, believing that even touching his garment would be enough. Her desperation led her to a powerful encounter, and immediately Jesus felt power go out from him. This moment reminds us that true hope and restoration come from Christ alone. Too often we exhaust every other option before turning to him. But faith requires that we press through the obstacles and reach for Jesus Christ first, not last. Jesus' response was not frustration, but recognition. He saw her faith and acknowledged her need. He didn't just heal her body, he affirmed her identity, calling her daughter and granting her peace. Now, this encounter teaches us that Jesus is always aware of those who reach for him in faith. No matter how broken, weary, or desperate we feel, we can come boldly to him, knowing that he alone has the power to restore us. Let us not wait until we have no other options. Let us reach for him first, trusting that he is our ultimate healer and source of life. May you be blessed. Shalom.